Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, first of all let me open here the label. Okay, first of all we are having here a manual in many different languages. We are having here on top a charging cable, a USB type A cable, and with this one you can connect it here to the watch. Very important is you need to charge the phone a USB type A adapter, so this one here. So let's have also a closer look to the watch. Finally, and this is how it looks like then. So I'm having here the black version, and yeah, pretty nice. And this is how the back looks like here at the watch, and you can see as well how the straps are fixed. Yeah, that has been a quick unboxing here of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. We are having the watch here, we are having a USB cable to charge the watch, but we have no power adapter. You have to organize it by your own, maybe using the one from the phone, and we will have here a menu. I hope I could help you with this quick unboxing, and yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.